Good morning, dear employers. I am Marcelina Balsomo. I am 47 years old and I need to find employer. I have my overseas experience. 2004 to 2008, I came to Saudi Arabia. I'm taking care elderly, one person, and two adults and three kids. And after Saudi Arabia, I have experience here in Hong Kong at 2018 to 2020 at mid-level. I'm taking care two elderly and four adults. And after my mid-level experience, I have experience also at Kowloon Bay, two elderly and one adults. And the size of the house is 1,500 square feet. And then I have also experience here in Sheung Shui from October 15 to February 16. And then after my Sheung Shui employer, I've employed at April 9, 2023 and 2024 August 9. I'm taking care elderly as a sick person, my job. And then I have my two adults employer and they have three kids. So the size of the home is 3,000 square feet. And then my major job is just the elderly. If the elderly is have time and then she's in a good mood, so I do my job as a cleaning and marketing and cooking. So my dear employers, I am willing to serve as a helper, as according to your needs, as a helper's job. Thank you.